So guys, for the first method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. See if that works. For the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. You want to reset the Xbox application. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to scroll down again and then click on uninstall. And then click on uninstall again. We're going to uninstall the Xbox application. Now once that's been uninstalled, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on the Microsoft Store, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Click on it. Now once this comes up, you just want to install the Xbox application again. Once it's been fully installed, try to log back in. This should now work for you.